How to find Facebook user location. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about either it is possible to find the Facebook user location or not. So now let's get started. So it is illegal in many countries and against the Facebook rules to track someone's location without their permission. So whatever I'm going to provide is for educational purposes or legitimate uses only, like finding a friend who has chosen to share their location. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and open their profile and check it. So go to their Facebook profile and look in the About section. Check for the current city, hometown, where the place is lived, and many users keep this information private. So also look at their recent post. Browse their recent status updates, photos, and check-ins. Look for the location tags, geo-tagged images, and Facebook may automatically add the location if they have GPS tagging enabled. Check for the Facebook stories and Reel stories, which may have location stickers, and tap the sticker if you see one, and it may link to a map or location page. And if you're chatting with them, ask them to share their live location, and you can access it remotely with their consent. So that's all for this video. This is exactly how you can find Facebook user location. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.